Are you ready, Sammy?
Huh? Sure!
All right. There you go.
Easy peasy.
So, what do you say?
You won't confuse me. Coke's on the right and Pepsi's on the left. I told you I could tell them apart with my eyes closed.
You're wrong. It's exactly the opposite.
No way! It's impossible!
Don't be upset, Sammy. I have an idea. You won't be confused again. Hi, guys. Today we're gonna make a Pepsi and Coke vending machine to never get confused.
It was just an accident!
Right. Now we need to build a rectangular frame using some cardboard. Guys, don't forget about safety when working with a glue gun. Like this. One can easily get burned, you know. Carefully. Okay.
Sue, I have a really important question. It will decide the fate of our craft.
Sounds very serious. There. I mean, I hope you didn't change your mind to make it at all.
Of course not. I like soda so much. I thought you knew that.
Get to the point, Sammy.
Fine. Interesting. Sue, what do you like most? Pepsi or Coke?
I don't know really. Pepsi is kind of cool, but I think I happen to drink Coke more often, so… Yes, let it be Coke. But why?
Let's share the burden. While you're making the Coke machine, I'll work on the Pepsi one.
That's a really great idea, Sammy. Huh? But are you sure you can handle this?
Why do you even ask? Ugh.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Great Craft Master. But remember, if you have any questions, I am ready to help. We will come back to this piece later.
If I understood correctly, we need a lot of cardboard for this craft, right?
Oh yeah, and you'll see it for yourself during the next step. Here's our main piece for now.
It looks like a template for a mysterious labyrinth.
That you need to go through and find a refreshing soda.
Sue, help me lift it up. Ugh.
Now we need to attach some cardboard pieces according to the markings, just like this. Perfect.
I can do this, Sue.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, this way. How cool is that?
Great, then you're ready for making crafts without my help.
Oh, I gotta go.
He always gets carried away. Let's continue our work. Voila! Awesome! The competition between Coke and Pepsi is so strong that there is a special term, the Cola Wars. It's all about two pharmacists, John Stiff Hemberton and Caleb Bradham, whose drinks existed simultaneously. A little lyrical digression for some craft magic. By the way, the companies still keep introducing new and modern advertising techniques, trying to beat their competitors. And true to say, it's a very interesting show to watch. I haven't heard Sammy for a while now. Where could he be? Sammy, I'm going to make a test.
I love testing.
Can you please bring me some soda then?
It's coming. Look out. Ah!
Be careful, Sammy. Go in, my quinchy little friends.
Let's start the test. Woohoo!
It works! Yay! I want to try too. Huh? Awesome.
So, what are we gonna… Watch where you push! What's this?
Ah, I was looking for this. We need to glue this piece here to cover the mechanism.
Okay, I wrote that down to make sure the Pepsi machine turns out great.
Keep up, Sammy. We're almost done. All right, let's check. As you can see, the system is working pretty good.
I've just figured out the decor, the main part of every craft. Do you know how to decorate your machine?
Would you look at this big cheese, huh? That's one idea.
Not cheese! No! You know that I have some troubles with it.
Everybody knows that. Don't worry. Today we're not cooking, but crafting.
Promise? Or I'll never come out of my shelter anymore!
It's not a shelter. It's a lid for our craft.
A lid? With those big holes, not a good lid, I should say. Huh.
Oh, Sammy, you're always in a hurry. Just wait a little bit and you'll see. We need to place a skewer inside so the door opens easily. There, till the end. And the final touch. Great! Now we'll put it on top of the craft.
I think it's better to close that round hole.
Thanks, Sammy.
Uh-huh.
We can make a cool lever from this. It'll be more convenient, you know.
Let's try then.
Ha-ha! So much fun! Why don't we use some animated film-style decorations? Whoosh! Oh, it didn't work! Sammy!
Who called the greatest slime magician? Whoosh!
Wow! How did you know?
The great magician can read minds, or I'm just a very good friend.
My best friend! So, Sammy, how's it going with your Pepsi machine?
Can you help me, Sue?
Sure! You're trying to make a case, as I see.
Right, but I'm a bit confused.
No problem. We've made the same piece a few minutes ago, so let's speed up the process. And this piece goes here.
Sue, what's taking you so long? I've already finished my part!
What are you waiting for then? Bring it here quickly.
If you're wondering, it was very easy for me to make this most important part of our craft. Which means that I technically did the craft all by myself!
Oh yeah? I wish I was as self-confident as you are, my friend. Anyway, if this is the case, perhaps you don't even need my help anymore, right? Huh?
Don't talk such nonsense, Susie! Every great leader needs an assistant! Actually, as a great leader, I prepared everything for the next step!
As a great leader, why didn't you glue these together? Or is this a job for your assistant?
Wrong! Guys, if you want to see a trick, give me a thumbs up to support!
Wow, it was a really great trick, Sammy. But you know, I didn't waste any time either. As an assistant of yours.
Don't worry, Sue. Your role as an assistant is just as important as the leader's.
And the final touch. Great! It's almost all done. All we have to do are decorations.
Leave it to me, Sue! Come on, close your eyes. You won't regret it.
Okay. Wow, Sammy, it looks so great! I'm proud of your skills. How did it feel to make everything by yourself?
Great! But it wouldn't be as fun without you know.
Aw, you're too sweet, Sammy. Let's have another look at our cool soda machines. Now let me show you how to fill these up. Coke goes in the red one. Woo!
Ah! I lost control of them! Ah!
It's okay, I caught them. And Pepsi goes in the blue one. So hard to get confused.
Sue, could you please get me a Coke can?
Oh, I thought you liked Pepsi more.
What can I do if I actually like both?
Okay, here is your Coke. Enjoy! And I'm gonna have a Pepsi.
Well, how do you like my machine? And Pepsi?
It's super cool, Sammy! Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like our vending machines just as much as we do.
And if you like the videos about soda cans, I recommend you to subscribe! There's a bunch of them on our channel! And don't forget to hit the bell button not to miss our next video! Awesome!
Yeah, you should do that. So refreshing.
Sue, just say goodbye!
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. See you soon.